Okay, so you might have been seeing how I'm using multiple different time frames in the previous lesson. Now, sometimes I prioritize the 4 hour, sometimes I prioritize the 1 hour, sometimes I prioritize the 2 hour, and things like this, right? It's all about what time they close at, okay? This lesson is super, super dumb, all right? And we're gonna get through it in 60 seconds, okay? So let's look. The reality is, the more recent the candle close, the more significant it is, okay? So this is literally all I'm gonna tell you is the 4 hour is 4 hours long, of course. So 3 hours into it, right at 6:30 a.m., you have only 30 minutes left of that 4 hour close, right? This is the stock open for me. 30 minutes until that 4 hour close. So that 4 hour candle is not very useful, okay? The 1 hour is more useful, the 2 hour is more useful because they're more recent. Obviously, the higher time frames are more significant. So come 7 a.m., the most significant one is the 4 hour. The least significant is the 1 hour, and the middle is the 2, okay? You always want to use, simple as this, you always want to use the most recent closes and the biggest candles, okay? So if it's, say, 8 a.m. here now, we now have only 1 hour of duration in the 4 hour. We have a new recent 1 hour close, and the 2 hour is halfway done already, right? So the percentage amount of time that each of these have been open is 50% for the 2 hour, a brand new one for the 1 hour, and 25% for the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is still really, really strong. And the 1 hour is still really strong. So right at 8 a.m., I don't put a whole lot of significance on the 2 hour anymore. Now come 9 a.m., right? That's lunchtime for New York. The 2 hour is the most significant because it's brand new and it's large. Now the 4 hour is halfway through, and the 1 hour, once again, every single hour is brand new, but it's quite weak compared to the other candles. That's the entire lesson. That's it.